Pumpkin cake cookies. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Start by carefully cutting a small baking pumpkin in half. Using a spoon, scrape the seeds out. Don't throw the pumpkin seeds away, you can clean, roast and enjoy them. Place your pumpkins with the cut side down onto a baking sheet. Bake your pumpkins at 200 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Turn your pumpkins over and transfer to a dish to allow to cool down 5 to 10 minutes. Using a spoon, remove the pumpkin from the skin and place into a food processor. Now process until the pumpkin is very smooth. Place the pumpkin into a sieve to drain any water. Leave to drain for 5 minutes. In a bowl, place 110 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of light brown sugar and 170 grams of caster sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt to bring out the flavour of the pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Now add 1 large egg. Using only 1 cup from the pumpkin puree, place into the batter. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix to incorporate. Add 380 grams of flour. Once incorporated, the texture should look like a cake batter. Use a scoop to place on a baking sheet. Do not place too close to each other as these will spread out while baking. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Mine took around 17 minutes to bake. Allow to cool down 5 to 10 minutes before handling. One and a half cups of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now slowly place 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. Mix well to incorporate. Place your icing into a piping bag. Now for the best bit, go ahead and decorate. Pumpkin cake cookies. Smells wonderful, tastes wonderful. Go ahead and try. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.